Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
Couple of days you did not see me around uploading videos. That's probably because I was kind of busy. I wouldn't say busy. I didn't manage my time properly. That's more like it. I had too many things on my hand and I was fucking up with the time. So I really didn't manage my time well for the past 2 days. Anyways, I landed a new client though. I landed a new client during this time for marketing. Interesting thing, I'll speak more about it soon. However, I met Ashta Label and the people involved in it yesterday in Roastery Cafe, and they are coming up, or they actually have made custom made bridal wear, and we will be introducing Panigra, which is a category under Ashta Label, very soon. So I had a meeting in Roastery Cafe with them about how will we be putting this content out there, or what content will we even be putting out there. So this Panigra is completely about bridal wear, and I've seen the pieces. They are smooth, they are fine as fuck, and I'm sure whoever sees these pieces will absolutely love it. So basically in the meeting we were seeing how exactly how will we introduce these custom made pieces as a message on Instagram. So we'll be creating a storyline between these clothes, and since it's bridal wear, the storyline would be around marriage. That is how I am thinking of that is how I'm thinking of introducing Panigra under Ashita Label. Since none of the subcategories have been introduced yet, we'll have to introduce it in between. Fuck it, who cares? We'll be doing it, and it'll be interesting. And the entire plan of it is pretty, I wouldn't say complex, but it's a nice plan. I'm planning in a nice aesthetic way to put out content on their page. So let's see how that turns out. And if you've noticed, I got a damn haircut done. So I don't know, I love this. I feel like for some reason having short hair is much more better, but I love long hair. Short hair feels better, but long hair, I just love it. That's just it. I don't know how else to explain it. And do I have anything else to say? Ashita Label, man, go check that thing out. They've got amazing collection. Their previous collection has insane ethnic wear. You should definitely go check it out. And we will be introducing the bridal wear soon, so you will get to know how they design bridal wears too, and they're fucking amazing. Trust me on that. And now, do I have anything else to say? Refine. I didn't even speak about Refine, man. Go check out Refine. I'll put the link in description. New sale out, crop tops. You're gonna love that shit. And I might just be doing the clothes review really soon. So let's see how that goes.